Hi, it's Craig Chemay from ClearStarMedia.com, and today we are talking about YouTube on ExpertVillage. Well, what is YouTube and what is the phenomenon with this site? Well, it's real simple. It's a site that allows you to watch videos instantly. Yeah, basically, these couple guys came up with this site where you can put videos up. Very similar to any other video-based website, but the thing is that YouTube gained its popularity. It became very, very popular very fast. So much so that Google spent billions in order to make it theirs. Now, there's a lot of other websites that allow you to put video up on it. Again, YouTube made it is famous because it's just most popular. But of course, you could put your video up on MySpace, you could put video up on Google Video or Yahoo Video or certainly a gazillion other sites, even your personal websites. But YouTube is a great way for you to see what other people are doing, see clips from TV shows, which I don't condone putting up, but they're certainly out there for you to watch. And, of course, see wacky and crazy things that you maybe have never seen before. So it's a great way to watch what other people are doing, but an even better way to showcase yourself. If you're an actor, and of course we did a segment here on demo reels, you may want to put your demo reel up there. If you're a person that wants to go out and say your opinion about the world, go ahead and do that. We'll show you how in later segments to go ahead and hook up a webcam, make your comments, and talk about that. We'll even show you how, if you have a piece of footage, how to get it up on YouTube. Let's say you have one of those little digital cameras and or a regular camcorder. How do you get that footage from your computer to YouTube? It's real simple, and we're going to show you in the next segments.